Hi everyone, today I'll be presenting my research on the role of executive assistants. So, talking about the executive summary, the primary purpose of my research is to explore the role of executive assistants in Alberta, particularly how they contribute to various sectors like energy, healthcare, and government. Through my findings, I discovered that this role is crucial across many industries and is expected to grow significantly in the coming years. Technological advancements, changing demographics, and globalization are all factors influencing the future of the EA profession. Coming to the next point, that is the overview of the sector, let's just take a closer look at the sectors that employ executive assistants. So, talking about the energy, this includes major oil and gas companies that require administrative support for executives. Healthcare, it is like essential in supporting healthcare leaders to ensure smooth operations in hospitals and clinics. The next is public administration. Government offices also require executive assistants to manage various administrative tasks for officials. And the last one is the corporate and tech industries. With the rise of tech companies, administrative roles in business sectors are like increasing as well. So, despite not directly contributing to the GDP, but the efficiency and the productivity provided by executive assistants have a significant indirect impact on Alberta's economy. Coming to the technological trends, one major factor influencing the role of executive assistants is the rise of technology. Automation and artificial intelligence are expected to handle many routine tasks, allowing executive assistants to focus more on high level functions such as strategic planning and project management. Cloud computing also plays a role, allowing for easier remote work, which means executive assistants can support global teams more effectively. Apart from that, as technology continues to evolve, the role of the executive assistant will shift, focusing on more strategic, tech driven tasks rather than traditional administrative duties. And after this, coming to the next topic, that is the demographic and globalization trend. Another factor shaping the future of this profession is demographics and globalization. The aging population in Alberta means that more senior executives will need administrative support as they continue their careers. At the same time, younger generations such as millennials and Gen Z are entering the workforce, bringing in new tech-savvy skills that align with the evolving executive assistant role. In addition, globalization is expanding the need for executive assistants who can manage cross cultural communications, handle international operations, and support global teams across different time zones. This means that bilingual executive assistants and those skilled in global business practices will be in even higher demand. Now, coming to the next one, that is the employment vacancies. Now, let's look at the current job market for executive assistants in Alberta. There is a high demand for executive assistants across industries, particularly in energy, healthcare, and government sectors. These positions are typically available in cities like Calgary or Edmonton, where major companies and government offices are located. Job titles can vary from executive assistant to administrative assistant and even office manager. Regarding the wages or the salaries, it can range from like 45,000 to 75,000 annually depending on experience and industry. Entry level positions may start lower, while senior executive assistants or those in specialized sectors like healthcare or energy can command higher wages. Now let's just talk about the important trends which are like shaping the role. In summary, there are several key trends shaping the role of executive assistants today. Technology is changing the way executive assistants perform their tasks, like focusing more on the strategic and tech oriented responsibilities. And then the globalization, it just requires the executive assistants to manage cross border operations and communications. Demographics, particularly the aging population, are contributing to an increased need for administrative support. And the last one, that is the future demand. Since the companies are expanding and like there's a adjust to a shifting technological and global environment, there will probably be a significant need for the executive assistants in the future. Like these trends ensure that the role of executive assistant will remain in demand, and we can expect more growth and evolution in the profession as industries continue to expand and change like within the time. And the last one, that's the conclusion. So, to wrap up the role of executive assistant, it is crucial to the efficiency of the Alberta's economy, and the demand for their services will likely continue to grow as industries evolve due to technological advancements, demographic shifts, and globalizations. So, too, will the opportunities for the executive assistants in various sectors. This makes it a stable and promising career path moving forward. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, you can just ask me. I'd be happy to discuss any part of my research in more details.